Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We got another copycat recipe, but this time we're going to my favorite fast food, or one of my favorite fast food restaurant, Chic Fil A. I'm gonna show you guys how to do Chic Fil A grilled chicken club sandwich. You ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have. So right here we have our chicken breast, and all I did was I took a boneless chicken breast and cut it in half. So, I wanted to be about, this is like a 1/2 inch thick like that. Here we have some mayo, some dill pickle juice here. And here we have our dressings for our burger. We have some pepper jack cheese, tomatoes, some lettuce, and some bacon there. Some lemon juice, whole milk, BBQ sauce, honey, some paprika, garlic powder, salt, Dijon mustard, onion powder, black pepper, some powdered sugar, and right here we have a smoked rub right here. So these are the ingredients. Let's get started. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Now I know it seemed like it was a lot of ingredients, but it's gonna be split into 2 steps, so it's gonna go by really fast. So the first step we're gonna do is make our marinade, and we're gonna take our pickle juice, add it to this bowl, along with our milk, our powdered sugar, our garlic powder, onion powder, our salt, our pepper, and right here we have a smoked rub. Now guys, if you don't have the smoked rub, that's fine. Just use some paprika, smoked paprika. But I had a smoked rub that I thought that'll bring out a little bit more flavor into this chicken. And we're just gonna whisk that together just like that. All right, so now all we're gonna do is take our chicken pieces, add them to the marinade. We're gonna take some saran wrap, cover this up, put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, up to about 4 hours, guys. It all depends on you. I'm gonna let mine sitting here for about an hour or so. Let those flavors get to talking to each other, So we're gonna stick this in the refrigerator, and while it's marinating, we're gonna create our sauce. So to prepare our sauce, we're gonna take our mayo, we're gonna add to this dish. Next, take our barbecue sauce, along with our honey, Dijon mustard, our lemon juice, and some paprika. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna get this baby mixed up. Guys, that's what we have. We're gonna take another piece of foil, cover this up, sit this in the refrigerator, and reserve it until we're ready to start making our chicken, all right? Okay, so we're about an hour and a half in. I'm ready to get these babies on the grill. Now you can put these on an outdoor grill. That's how you wanna do it. I'm gonna use my indoor smokeless Cuisinart grill. Guys, I'm gonna leave a link to this in the video description. I like the idea of this grill when it comes to doing something inside, because you don't have to deal with the hassle with the charcoal and all that stuff on the outside grill. So we're gonna use our Cuisinart. First thing we're gonna do is gonna get this baby preheated. I'm gonna preheat it to 400 degrees. Let that come up to temperature real quick. Once it gets to 400 degrees, we're gonna start placing our chicken onto the grill plates. All right, so now we're at the 400 degree mark. I sprayed this here with a little cooking spray. Now we're gonna take our marinated chicken pieces and we're gonna lay them right here on the grill. Just like that. And we're gonna cook these to an internal temperature around 165 degrees. This could take somewhere between 7 to 12 minutes. And this can vary depending on how thick your meat is, how hot your grill is, but make sure that internal temperature is 165. All right, guys, so it looks like we should be there. Let me check our temperature. Yep, we're right at 164, 65, so we're good here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn our power off. Now we're just gonna head over to our cutting board and get this baby assembled so we can jump into the final presentation and quality control. And there you have it, a copycat Chick Fil A grilled chicken club sandwich. I already know. Y'all gonna let me know what y'all think about this in the video description below. Man, this baby look good. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. Let's do a taste test because I know y'all guys ready for me to say, oh man. All right, let's go. Listen, this quality control time, I can't wait. You take a bite of this, baby, man. Let's go ahead, man. I ain't gonna waste no more time. Oh man. I'm gonna put this plate aside just so I can hold it with two hands because this deserves of a two-handed bite. You ready? A lot of that sauce dripping. Oh man. God. I got a mess to clean up. Well, I don't have a mess to clean up. Somebody got a mess to clean up. Listen, Chick Fil A, I'm on your ass. So guys, definitely check this out. In my humble opinion, this one here better than Chick Fil A. But I love me some Chick Fil A. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. All wings, everything. And remember guys, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.